I'm Homer Knott from 6 Mile Creek in Tampa, Florida. And one time back in the 70s, I was sitting there at Harold's Drive-In at a table, and this woman sitting at the table next to me, she grabbed a Kleenex and sneezed, and then started sitting there and shaking and shuddering for like 15 seconds. And then a couple minutes later, she did it again. She grabbed a Kleenex, she sneezed and started shaking and shuddering. And she did that 3 times. And I was a little bit concerned about it, so I asked her, I said, "Ma'am, are you okay?" And she goes, "Oh, I'm sorry if I disturbed you, but I got this condition. Every time I sneeze, I have an orgasm." I said, "Oh, wow." I said, "Can you take anything for it?" She says, "I am. I'm taking pepper."